How is it, guys? Good morning to you all. Welcome back to Lotto Guide. If today is your first time coming across this page, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to the channel. All right, guys, I'm back again with another prediction on lunchtime and tea time. So stay tuned and watch all through the video. Okay, guys. So our day strategy yesterday worked, which I showed you guys that on the 21 they dropped 24, right? So that makes me to suspect that on the 24 they will also do the same thing. If you watch, you will see that 24 has been dropping more often. Okay, so they're actually waiting to drop it here, which is on the 24, and they did. All right, I showed you guys yesterday that 21 supposed to be 100% number. All right, so that is it, guys. So as you can see, looking on your screen right now, you will see that the result you are seeing right now is 21, which means that I did exactly what I showed you. Okay, but that number failed here, which is where punters always get demotivated. Once a number failed in the draw, they expected it to drop, and that number did not. They have lose focus, they have lose hope, and it will surprise them that the next draw those numbers will drop. Okay, but based on me, I understand the game very, very well. It's not all about jumping, that you want to bet, you want to play the lottery, you want to make money, but you are not motivated, you don't have your own idea, you don't have your own strategy to follow up. It's very difficult for you. Okay, so as you guys can see here, this is my results, right? And why did my result comes like this is because once my banker is on 20s, I will jam it with 30s. And once my banker is on 40s, I will jam it with either 20s or 30s, right? So that is why you see that. Okay, if I jam this 21 with 40s, you will see that it will also come with these three numbers. So your creativity, your ideas matters a lot. It's not all about looking for one particular number that is missing. No. All right. So once I don't give myself stress. Once I have that banker, I will use it with. So it's your own creativity, your own idea will work for you. All right. So let's look at what I think that will happen today on lunchtime and tea time. Okay. All right, guys. So from here right now, okay, from here right now, you can see that 45 repeated. 45 also repeated, and this number is standing on the 5th position and it's repeating. Is this a pattern? Are they showing us that 45 will repeat again? We don't know until the result comes out, but for now, let's assume that 45 will drop again. So 45, that is by the way, right? So that is it. So, but what I think, apart from 45 being repeated, what I think from this number, as you can see, this number has been repeating. Maybe they have started the madness of 45 right now, because that is how it started. Okay. Now look at here, 45. Now if you watch here, watch here, watch here, watch here, watch here, watch here. All right, look here, look here. All these draws, 45 supposed to give us 9 and 17. Okay, 45 supposed to give us 9 and 17, but they keep on repeating 45, delaying these numbers. So me, I'm expecting these two numbers today. All right, I'm expecting these two numbers today. I hope we understand each other, right? So write 45, write 17 and the 9 down. Okay, write 17 and 9 down. But if they repeat 45 again, 17 and 9 will still hold on. You got my point? So that is where you see that lottery is full of bots, right? That is it. So I've showed you guys what I think. Okay, you can also use your own ideology. Your ideas matters. Okay. Yes, the way they taught you accounting in school is not the same method you'll be following. You come out from school, you create your own style that will be more easier for you to do. All right. So the next number that I think that will be showing up today will be 32. To me, I don't think anything will stop 32, but because of his lottery, I'm still gonna have a little bit doubt, okay, about it, right? And why I say 32 is because we have this number here, Okay, we have 12. 48, we have 12. We have 48 repeated and 12 also followed repeated. These two numbers right now will currently give us 32. These two numbers will currently right now give us 32. So write 32 down. Write 32 down. That 32 is supposed to be 100% number. So write that 32 down. Okay? Write 32 down, guys. Okay. I hope you guys you saw it yourself, right? You see, all right? Okay. So the next number we should be looking at now will be 34. This 34 is supposed to be 100% number, but don't beat your chest on it because 28 can overthrow it, right? But 100% number is supposed to be this number as well, which is 34. And why 34? Look here, we have this number, which is 14. Now, going down, we have 14. Okay, going down, we have 14. You can see this number. Going down, we have 14. Now, if they want to turn that number, we already have 41 here, and 41 has been disturbing, right? 41 has been disturbing. Are they going to repeat 41 again? 41 has been disturbing, so I don't think 41 would be a positive side to go. Well, I don't know. Now, this number 14 will bring 34. Will bring 34. But if they decide to plus it, that is where the but come in. If they decide to plus it, they will give us 28. And as you can see, 30 has also been disturbing ever since it came out of the code and still sitting on the code ball. Shows that it's still coming, right? 30s. 30, right? You can see 30 here. Okay. 30 dropped twice. Where is that 30 again? Down, you also see 30. So, okay, look at it here. You can see 30. You see 30. Now, 28 and 30 is still sitting on the code ball. So, they may use this because of this, what happened here, and decide to bust out 28, or they will bring 34. I hope you understand that. All right. So, write these two numbers down. Write these two numbers down, guys. Okay. So that is it. So the next number we should be looking at will be 36. Okay, 36. And why 36 is because you can see here we have 37. You see here we have 1. You see here we have 1. You see here we have 1. Right? You can see that yourself. Now, I don't see the reason why they should stop 36. But because it's lottery, anything is possible. Right? So write 36 down. But if they decide to repeat 37 again, 36 will be stopped. Right? So write 36 down. 36. Okay? Write 36 down. Okay. So the next number we should be looking at will be 43. Okay? The next number we should be looking at will be 43. Okay? Next number we should be looking at will be 43. And why 43 is because if you watch here, you see that we have 13. Okay? We have 13. We have 29. We have 7. Right? You can see that these numbers right now will give us 43. These numbers will give us 43. So write 43 down. Write 43 down, unless if they decide to repeat maybe 13 again. I don't know. So, but what I think that is missing currently right now from these numbers is 43. So write 43 down. Write 43 down. Okay. Okay, guys. So the next number we should be looking at will be 15. Okay. 15. All right, 15. And why 15? Is because we have 4 here, we have 4 here, and 40 still on the code board. So I don't know when they will release that number. So for now, let's look up to 15. Okay, so write 15 down. Write 15 down. Okay. All right, guys. So the next number we should be looking at will be 31. 31. 31. This number, I don't see, this number supposed not to be stopped today. 31. All right. And why 31 is because look at here, we have this number 18. We also have we also have 18 here. You can see that 18. So this number right now will bring 31. But if they decide to plus it, it will also give us back 36. All right. So write 31. Write 31 down. Okay. Write 31 down, guys. All right. So that is it. Okay. Write 31 down. Okay. All right, guys. So the next number we should be looking at will be 5. And why 5 is 41 has been disturbing. 19 also has been disturbing. Right? You can also see 19 here. That 19 has been disturbing also. Okay. So let's expect 5. So write 5 down. Okay. Write 5 down. So write 5 down. Okay. I hope you guys got the numbers. All right. So we talked about 17. We talked about 9. We talked about 32. We talked about 34. We talked about 36. We talked about 43. We talked about 15. We talked about 5. Okay. We talked about 28. We talked about 31, which is the last number. All right. So that is the numbers that I see, or I think that is what is going to be happening today. Okay. All right. So that is my story for today. Okay. I hope you guys got the point, right? So that is my numbers for today. So you guys can pair the numbers together and try it out on today's lunch and tea time. Or better still, you can just hold on to what this number will bring, which is 40. Currently, you can hold on to what this number will bring, which is 9 and 17. Okay? But if they decide to repeat 45 again, which is what you are seeing there right now, then you should add 45, which then you hold on to these 3 numbers. It's very easy and understandable. Right? You can hold on to these 3 numbers, play it maybe as a bonus, play it as singles, or be creative about it. If you have money, you can just use 17, 9, maybe run it with the families of 30s or 20s, right? That makes sense, right? Okay, so all right, guys, so that is it for today. Okay, that is it for today, and here will be the end of the video. Okay, if you want to join my WhatsApp group, use the number you are seeing on the screen right now. Okay, here will be the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.